After you've set the case properties for your stamp, when you've told it in the add-on tools what you want your sticker to say, then it's time to start placing your stamp. So you find the actual e-sticker underneath the stamps menu. So in the legacy view here, it's really simple because it typically appears at first on the right-hand menu. Let me expand this menu bar so you can see it even says stamp on it. So what you do is you just click on that icon and it will bring up a submenu, and here you will pull down under stamps, and you typically always have this Adobe approved stamp. That's sort of like their default stamp. But if you scroll down, you'll see where your purchase stamps are, or if you have a free sticker, that'll show up under the promo e-sticker. But here we have the sticker that I have loaded into this system is an all-in-one style 4, and it will show you a little preview of everything that you've set up. I know that I've gone in and I've set this up to say Smith deposition exhibit. I've told it I have a prefix of EX and I want the starting number to be 15, and I've put my cause number on here. So all I have to do now is just click on that image, and you'll see you get a little ghosting there, which will show you where you want to place it. So you can just hover your mouse wherever you want to place that sticker and then click, and there it will be. Then the next time that you want to use the stamp, you'll see that it auto increments up a number if we're indeed using the number feature. So that's how you find the stamp. But let me show you another way to get into the stamp even a little quicker, and that's to put it up into your quick access toolbar. Blank spot here in the menu. Select customize the quick access toolbar. You go down to where it says stamp. We click on that, and then we just put this little add button, add to toolbar. And then when we save it, it will be right there next to, as we discussed in one of our earlier videos, the add-on tools, or the Lego block here. That's where our case dashboard lives, where we can change the information associated with the stamp, and then here's where our stamp lives. And all you have to do is pull down, select the sticker you want, and if you have more than one style, they'll show up in here. Select it, click, and you can see it's auto incrementing to the next number. One final thing I'd encourage you to do is go watch the video on how to set up the single key accelerator, the K key. What that does is it lets you bypass this step altogether, and all you have to do is hit the letter K. And when I do that, it automatically loads the last exhibit sticker that I was using. So you have to make sure that you're on the right one that you want, and then you can simply place it. So if I go to another document, let's say, and I need the next exhibit sticker, I just hit the K key and I can place that one. And you can see it's auto incrementing here because that's how I've set up the file. So do go and watch that one. It just takes about 2 seconds to go find the switch to turn that on, and it'll help you just fly through your exhibit set.